Hey guys, my name is Andy from MSI, and you are joining us at the 2019 CES at the MSI booth. It's really great to have you guys here. And what do I have in my hand right now is our brand new product for 2019, the PS63.
Einmal noch.
Dieses Video wird euch von den kabellosen Kopfhörern von JBL präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
Original Pro Sound. Als wärst du dabei. Kabellose Kopfhörer von JBL.
As you can see, the design isn't like everything or anything that we ever had before. From the color scheme and the accents from the side, as well as keyboard backlight, and not to mention performance is off the chart. So to put in perspectives, one of the very key features we want to talk about is that we are collaborating with Discovery, and which is why that inspired us to come up with the PS63 for a lot of reasons. We want this machine to be the perfect tool set, as mentioned in the keynote and the new product launch before, is that the tool for content creators, that they can take this laptop anywhere around the world and do their work, and then they can visualize and bring the ideas to life using this tool, because it's got 16 hours battery capacity, so you don't have to really bring your adapter anywhere. It's got a lot of power, and then you can use for a long time. And not to mention the keyboard itself, you get more tactile feedback, more travel distance. It's unlike any other thin and light laptop. So even though it is very thin, but you still get that tactile feedback with the keyboard. It's very comfortable to type on. And also the thin bezel, the panel, is another thing that we're really proud of, where it's called the four-sided thin bezel. So you're not only getting on the two sides, but in fact, you're getting thin bezel on the top and on the side. So you're really getting that extra real estate, the panel and screen real estate, from a 15-inch gaming laptop, and it's even smaller chassis, as you can see. And it's very lightweight as well. And this product will also be available with the MX250 as well as the GTX 1050. So if you're really looking for that extra power, you can use it for programming, for encoding, or photoshopping, or even making films. This machine will pack just enough firepower to do almost any applications that you want to do. And the small things, even on the side, for MSI, we focus a lot on the small details. For example, this machine supports the phone quick charge. Usually when you want to charge your phone on a laptop, it takes a long time, right? It's really slow. But with this one, the Type-C USB, you're able to quick charge your phone. Assuming your phone supports quick charge, you can charge it a lot faster through the PS63, the Type-C, Thunderbolt, the USB. And on top of that, you're getting Fingerprint Sensor, so it adds that extra layer of security for your laptops, because we understand your intellectual property is very valuable and important. So then we add that extra security for PS63. And just want to quickly go over the I/O ports really quickly. You're getting the USB on the side, two on the side right here, and also another USB, and HDMI, and Type-C, and the audio jack. So basically everything you need from a laptop. Again, the name of this product, it's called the PS63 Modern. It is our brand new product that we just pushed out in 2019, and it will be available very soon in your country. So hopefully that people, the content creators, and all the artists or photographers, or if any kinds of business settings or applications, this product and this tool can get the job done anywhere on the go. So feel free to check it out.